Hello viewers, welcome back. We're going to go over an awesome crock-pot meal that we've discovered. It's a broccoli rice casserole. I know what you're thinking, rice, broccoli, not a whole lot of flavor, but this does bring quite a bit of flavor to the game, and it's an excellent complement to a lot of like chicken-based dishes. You've got versatility with tuna. It's something you can set and kind of forget. It's very cheap in the long run. We'll go through some of the ingredients here as we dump them in. So we've got a 1.5 cups of rice. We're going to add that right to our crock pot here. We've got just a steamer bag of frozen broccoli, florets. You can do fresh broccoli from the store if you want to cut it up. You're shooting for about 5 to 7 cups. Most times the standard bag that you'll get from the store, 5 to 7 cups. We're going to go with 1 medium onion here. Again, a little bit more flavor. Kind of mix that in on top. Next thing we're going to look at is we've got just a generic can of our cream of soup style. This is a cream of mushroom. However, if you're doing a chicken dish, feel free to do a cream of chicken, cream of celery, cream of broccoli, whatever's in your cupboard. It's a good thing to add to it. You know, feel free to like you say, try and mix and match and pair those. Most of this out of here. And now you'll want to follow the directions on the can for the water. So usually whenever you do a condensed soup like this, you'll want to go over to your faucet, fill the can up, swirling that water around a little bit, trying to dissolve some of those sides, and we'll add that on top here. Get the last of this off the edge. Now, to bring up the rest of our wet ingredients, we have 3 cups of water. We'll pour that in over the top, making sure to get your rice nice and covered, sitting on the bottom there. We have a 1.5 cups of milk. This is going to help add to that creaminess, bring a little bit more flavor. We'll pour that in over the top there. And we're going to bring a little bit of butter or margarine. We're looking for about 3 tablespoons. I'm just going to do 2 heavy dollops here, so we're getting pretty close with that, and that'll melt in on top. Now, kind of the dealer's choice on this, but we have 2 cups of cheese. What we like to do is when we're actually dishing this up and preparing the meal, we'll put the cheese on right then and kind of melt it in amongst the broccoli and rice and maybe that chicken breast that you're adding to it. If you want to, you can take this, add it right to the crock pot. It's obviously going to melt in more. It's going to be that more cheesy, creamy, gooey broccoli rice casserole. So there's, like I said, lots of versatility with this. It's a great thing. You're going to want to put this in the crock pot on high for about 3 to 4 hours to get all that rice cooked up. Just keep an eye on it. There should be plenty of moisture in here. If you do need to add a little bit of water, like you say, maybe a 1/2 cup when you're getting towards the end to help rehydrate everything. But it's a great recipe, and we hope you enjoy it, and you'll check back for another video.